So what's up guy, I think you are going great, and in the today's video we are going to solve some logic building concepts. And for logic building, I think the best method for our improving logic building is by solving patterns. And in the today's video we are going to solve basically two basic pattern solving technique. And here first I will take this pattern. Here n is the any number may be, and it will be the row number for this pattern. If there is 3, then the row will be 3, and if row here number is 4, then the number of rows will be 4 here. And same for this pattern also, we are taking n, that will represent the row counting. Here 3 representing that there should be 3 row, and if there is 5, if user enters 5, then there should be 5 row, like 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, like this we have to print the value. So let me create a simple class for this. So first of all, I am creating a package pattern, and inside of this I am creating class like pattern 1, 0, 1, and we will require also main method, so I am also creating main method. So like this we will get the template for Java code writing. From here I like user is entering like int n equal to 3, like this. So first of all I am taking this case, like this we have to print this pattern. So let me comment it down. Yeah, like this we have to print. So for this here you can see, like in the first row the second loop is also running 3 times, and in the second row the loop is running 3 times. So for each I value, j is running the given number, like this. So we have to write our code like, first of all we have to go increase our row number. So for this I am using a outer for loop for int I equal to 0 and I is less than n, because I am starting from 0. So I should not be greater than n. So here I am taking n less than n, and here I will use I plus plus, so that after completing each iteration the value of I should be increased by 1. And now we have taken row number, and this will print our roll number for like this will increase the row. And now we have to print 1 star and then second star and then third star, like this. So for that I am using for loop again, and here I will use another variable j, and it will also start from 0, and this will also go till less than n. Sorry, j is less than n, and j plus plus. Here we will use system.out.println. So I'm just writing this out and pressing control and space bar, like this it is coming system.out.println, and here we have to print asterisk. Then I'm using asterisk and giving some space after printing the asterisk, and here we will require like in same line. So I'm removing this ln, and now after completing j loop completely, now we have to go to the next line. So for that I am using another system.out.println, so that we can change the line. So here completing j loop, I will write a simple print statement, and here just let it be like this only. Now because of this ln, the control will move next line. So after printing this star, the control should be here. So for moving control here, I'm using this line. So that's it. I think our code is good to go. So let me run the code. Yeah, that's the thing we are like looking for. So it is printed now. And for second, I'm using another class, new class. Let it be pattern 02, and it will also require main class. So I'm using main class. And for this, like same, but here something we will also need int n equal to 3, and like this pattern we have to print. So here you can see, like in the first row the count of star is 1, and in the second row the count of star is 2, and in the third row the count of star is 3. So like this, the number of row is equal to the count of asterisk. So let me first of all like write the outer for loop. So for int I equal to 0 and I is less than n I plus plus. So this is the outer loop for printing all row. And now for inner loop I am using another variable called j. J is less than, not less than, equal to I, and j is less than I. It will 0 less than equal to I, like this, and here j plus plus. Now in the first iteration the value of I will be 0, and here 0, and j should go till the equality like this, and the first time it will go inside and print the first asterisk value. And then after, now the value of j will be increased by 1. Now the value of j will be 1, and here the condition will fail and it will go for this loop. And here now I value of 1. So first time j will go inside of this body of this for loop, and here first time one asterisk will be printed, and then after printing one value of j will be increased and it will be 1. So like this the second will be printed also, and after printing second the value of j will be 2, and the value of I will be 1. And now the this for loop will like break because of the condition. This for loop will be break, and now the control should go here, and here the value of I increased by 1. Now it will be 2. Now the value of 2 will come here, and it will start printing the asterisk this one. Then value of j will be increased by 1. Then this asterisk will be printed, and then after when the value of j will be 2, then this value of asterisk will be printed. Now this, let me system out, and here in the double quotes asterisk, and let print some special. So I'm removing this ln so that the value the asterisk should be in the same line. Sorry, this is out, and here for moving to the next line I'm using this ln. I think our code is good to go. Let me run it and see. Yeah, the value of same pattern is printing as we are looking for. So let me increase the n number of rows, then let me run it again, and you can see the same pattern is printing, but with the value of n here you can see 2, 4 and 6. Like this we can print these kinds of simple patterns